A frozen Solitaire cache progress bar usually means the game screen has stopped updating, so restarting the app and checking the connection are the first fixes to try. By the end, you'll know how to refresh the progress bar, check whether the problem affects one game or the entire app, and what to do before reinstalling Solitaire cache. Start by completely closing Solitaire cache. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Solitaire cache away. On Android, open recent apps and remove Solitaire cache from the list. Then launch the app again and check the same progress bar. If the bar is still frozen, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or switch back to Wi-Fi if you are already using mobile data. Reopen Solitaire cache and check whether the progress updates normally. Next, test another available game or section of the app. If the progress bar works somewhere else, the problem may be limited to the original game session. If multiple screens show outdated progress, the issue may be related to the app connection or account synchronization. Check the App Store or Google Play for a Solitaire cache update. Search for Solitaire cache and open its store page. If the update button is available, install it. Then completely close and reopen the app. Android users can also clear Solitaire cache's temporary cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Solitaire cache, select Storage, and use the Clear Cache option. This removes temporary files without using the same process as deleting the app. On iPhone, there is no equivalent individual app cache button in iOS. Close the app completely and reopen it instead. If the problem continues, check for an available iOS update and a Solitaire cache update. If the progress bar is connected to an account-based activity, check whether your profile and other account information are loading correctly. If your profile and balance appear normally but one progress bar remains frozen, the problem may be limited to that particular activity. Avoid reinstalling Solitaire cache as the first solution. Before deleting the app, make sure you know the correct account or login method, so you can access the same account afterward. If the progress bar remains frozen after restarting the app, changing connections, clearing the Android cache when applicable, and installing available updates, contact Solitaire cache support. Include the name of the affected game or activity and describe exactly where the progress stops updating. The main fixes are simple. Restart Solitaire cache, refresh your connection, test another game, and update the app before considering more drastic steps. Your next step is to completely close Solitaire cache and reopen the affected game. If the progress bar starts moving again, the problem was likely limited to the previous app session. If this fixed it, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.